Okay, so now we'll take a look at the preferences for the keyboards and control surfaces. So edit and preferences, and this time we need to select the correct page. So keyboards and control surfaces. Now at the moment you can see that my Oxygen 8 is already installed, so I'll just click on that to highlight it and then click delete and then accept the warning. And then if you wish, you can click on the auto detect surfaces key, and that will auto detect any controllers or keyboards that are connected through USB or FireWire. But for now I'll just show you by using the add key. So click on add and you have the manufacturer, so select the one from the list. If yours isn't in this list, then you can select other, and I'll show you that in a moment, but for now I'll select M Audio. The model for mine is the Oxygen 8 and the older model. You have the option to rename it if you wish, and the MIDI input on mine it's the USB key station, but if you're not too sure you can click on find and then turn a knob or press a key on your controller and it'll find it for you. Okay, and then click OK. A little message just comes up there, and there you go. Now if you have a few controllers and keyboards, you do not have to use them with Reason, and so you can simply uncheck that box and you will not be able to use it with Reason. Okay, so I'll just quickly delete this again and I'll show you what to do if your manufacturer is not listed in here. You simply click on other, then in the model you have to tell Reason if it's a control keyboard, a control surface, a keyboard with no controls, or a multi-channel control keyboard or a multi-channel control surface. So mine is a control keyboard, and same again, you can rename it, and the MIDI input is the USB key station, and there we go. Now the master keyboard input, if I select standard for the moment, then this red box here, this determines what device in the rack will receive the MIDI input from your control surface or keyboard. Okay, so at the moment it's Thor 1, this is Thor 2, and this is Maelstrom. And you'll notice this red box represents that, and if you select the track, then the red box will move with the track selected. Now if you change that preference to separated, it means that the red box will only change if you actually click on the icon. Okay, so you can select different tracks, but the Thor 1 will still receive the MIDI input from the keyboard. So to actually change the device that receives the MIDI input, you have to click on the icon. Okay, so that's the preferences for the keyboards and control surfaces.